Here everyone, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off face recognition on your Android phone. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open your setting. Scroll down and look for security, or sometimes it's called biometric and security, depending on your phone brand. Alright, so got it? Alright, so now find face recognition. Tough on the face recognition, your phone most likely asks for your PIN, password, or pattern before you can access this setting. Here you will see option for face unlock, and just simply toggle off features like face unlock or use face recognition. If you want to completely remove it, just select remove face data. This will delete your saved facial data from your device, and then the phone will ask you to confirm with your PIN or password. And once confirmed, face recognition will be turned off. And that's it. You have successfully turned off your face recognition on your Android phone. From now on, you will need to use your PIN, password, or fingerprint to unlock your device.